Remember, 5th of November. Yes, it's bonfire night. And if you're going to see a show tonight, you're going to see all the fireworks and whatnot. Hopefully the weather holds out, even if it is alarmingly warm for this time of year. But I thought I'd share with you, not one, but two fireworks shows I've been to over the years that have kind of gone sideways. First one comes to mind is, I think it was in Southinch in Perth, eons ago. I was standing on the back of a trailer helping present some show there, and the angle we were seeing the show at, it looked like the fireworks were going into the crowd. Thankfully, it didn't actually happen, but, you know, imagine that heart-stopping moment where you're like, oh my God, did that just... Yeah, oh no, we're good. And the second one that comes to mind was a few years later, living in a very characterful part of the world, or part of Britain, and the local used to managed to get a hold of a pack of fireworks. That's fine, and rather than enjoy them in the park, they thought the best action would be to stand at either end of the street and fire them at each other like, you know, rocket launchers or grenades or whatever. I don't know how they kept their eyebrows, but hopefully whatever fireworks you're going to see tonight are going to be much calmer and much more enjoyable than that.